Hey, here's a 30-second tip. Whenever you have to file something, okay, either your file stays rigid and you move the material, or the material stays rigid and you move the file. And the file is only made to go in one direction, not two. So you don't do any of this back and forth nonsense. Nothing will destroy a file faster than back and forth. Okay? And just like this, we're just going to basically round the edges and across, and lightly rub my thumb over it to make sure that there's no burrs, and that's it. And basically that's filing. Done deal. Oh, great. Stay tuned for more great tips here from Odd Jobs. We'll talk to you guys another day.